County in northeastern Illinois, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Midlothian, or over Alsip, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, Roseland, East Chicago, Cherville, Hobart, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Highland, Blue Island, Munster, Dolton, Homewood, Alsip, Palos Hills, and Chatham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio, K West 030.